everyone, this is Anika, also known as Katberrypotatoo. তোমরা সবাই কেমন আছো? Today I've used the chocolate gold palette from Too Faced to come up with this really nice half cut crease golden eye look. This look is perfect for any Desi outing, parties, whatever you call it. This is really sophisticated and pretty. Just look at that. Do you see that? This is like every Desi girl's dream palette. It has all the shimmers, metallics, and there's a black and a brown. What else do you need, really? What else do you need in life? So first I'll be taking the Baby Skin Primer. Now I'm going to color correct using the LA Girl Pro in the shade orange, and I swear guys, sometimes I apply so much that it makes me feel like I'm a Oompa Loompa. I'm not trying to drag too much because I've noticed that when I like really drag, the part of this goes up and it just spreads in places where I don't want it to, and then when I further mix it with foundation, it's just gonna get bad. So I'm just gonna like press, you know, pretend that you're using foundation, a sponge. Yes, pretend that you're using a sponge and just dab. Acha dabber bangla ki. I'll be using ColourPop No Filter Foundation in the shade Medium Dark 145. And as you can see, it's very liquid. Yes, it looks like it's not my shade. It looks like it's too light for me, but it's not. It's actually my shade. Because my face and neck is actually darker than the rest of my body. And I always try to match with my chest. Make sure you drag it down. Very important. So this is, I would say, this is a medium to high coverage. Medium to high. Medium to full. Yeah. But not bad. Not bad. Doable. I like it. I'll be using concealer, and for that I'll be using ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Golden 40. The name has been changed right now. I don't quite remember the actual name. I'll put that in the description box below. So আমি এখন কনসিলারটা আমার মাথার উপরে ভাবে দিব, যেহেতু আমার মাথা অনেক ওয়াইড, মাথা forehead আমার forehead অনেক ওয়াইড, সো আমি বেশি দিব না। And একটু যে এখানে চিনেও আমি অত হাইলাইট, এটা দিয়ে অত হাইলাইট পছন্দ করি না, just keeping it. Alright. So right now I'll be using the No Filter Concealer again in the shade Deep 70 to just, you know, give me some definition. This is not exactly contour. I still call it cream bronzing. I wouldn't call it contour. Just put a bit here, just that, but really little, and just use the wrong brush. Okay, whatever. Just go in with it. Make sure the front part of your face, the middle center point, is lighter than the perimeters. This is what we're trying to achieve here. Right now I'm gonna take the No Filter setting powder in the shade Banana. I have to make sure there is absolutely no creasing, because you don't want to set creases, you want to set a fine canvas. And right now, as a mini transition, I like to use Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 30. And just a bit, not too much, and then just putting it here. Transition. I don't know why I do that, it's just fun. Just everything away. I don't exactly bake. So for my eyes today, I'll be using the Chocolate Gold palette by Too Faced, and I love this palette. Like, it's babe. Just look at it. I haven't swatched any of the colors yet, but just look at it. It's so pretty. Okay, let me just show you some of the swatches. See, kind of like the green. Look at it. So guys, as you can see, I've already done one of my eyes. Now I'm gonna do the other one. So first, I'll be taking rolling in dough. It's sort of like all over, kind of, not too much. Taking So Bougie. Let's see. Okay, all over my crease. Just darken it up. Next, I'll be taking Cocoa Truffle. A warm brown basically. Next, I'll be taking a very thin brush, as you can see, and I'll be using the color Decadent. It's black, it's peach. Wait, can you see it? Yeah, this pretty blue color right here. I'm taking on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically really gonna draw this line, this wing right over here. I'm stamping the color. I'm not swiping because so I can just get rid of the pigmentation, and I don't want that. You're done drawing that line. I know it's nice. Oh well. I'll be cutting my crease using a flat brush and concealer. I'm gonna take another of this brush, this really thin brush, and I'll be taking Fix Plus, just like spraying it. I'll be using the shade Famous. This copper gold. The shade Chocolate Gold. And I'll be using the same color, Chocolate Gold, to just draw a line on top of this black wing, just like that. Now I'm gonna take Rimmel Exaggerate Eyeliner. I'm taking a mixture of gold dipped and rolling in dough. I'm just gonna put on my brow bone. I'm going to take the Rimmel London Exaggerate Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Black again, drawing a water line. Bit the right half point, I'm not bringing it all the way in. So I'm going to take the color Famous again. I'm putting a lighter shade near all the way near your tear duct actually creates this illusion of bigger eye, and I like my eye to be bigger than it is. And now I'm gonna take the mascara Betterthansexmascara Too Faced. It is my really most favorite. So there's another thing that I like to do is that I'll take the handle of a brush and I'll just lift up my lashes. For bronzing, I'm using Physicians Formula, for blush, I'm using Sleek Blush by Stree in the shade Pumpkin, and it comes with 3 beautiful shades. I'll be using And that pretty much wraps the look. Thank you so much guys for watching my tutorial. If you've enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below on the things that I can improve on or the things that you want to see next. Do share this video if you like it, and I guess that's it for today. Bye!